noi note to chalo synonyms antonyms loi na yaw rabni gendar ba sumaina nukti gi khak khak tau gana ko hawra sira koi jangala ahan ba wat still thi u dabra phajana u di silai hola dang talli da nang ibo u di okay still thi hai kai no meaning behaving or done in a cautious manner so as not to be seen or heard hai bi kai no na mina khang khini khallaga tuminna tawba thabak to adubu still thi ka we gyan darba mina khang khini ai sumai dore ma udanga gi tuminna tawba to achapo to sunoi class tak ra pura achare mi u khine nayum da phamung de cha to makhota khine krok krok ta taw de blanket manung da cha bu gyan darba natra nang na aram da thabo ma taw reng khallo ada mi u khine nang tuminna tawba adubu still de hural lon chat kai na gyan darba adum nak hai na mne adubu still thi ka we adagi synonyms ta sneaky covert clandestine so antonyms ta overt conspicuous and blatant I na pili si khara khakta na silagi ahian manoi na thi ge shwe example the thief made a stealthy exit from the building to avoid detection huran baduna tuminna mana hural madung the building dagi ma se tuminna mi na khang ngai na na thu a chakheba khang example da go thief made a stealthy exit from the building to avoid detection and the next word is complacent showing smug uncritical satisfaction with oneself or one achievements often while unaware of potential danger kaina the Manipuri ta kaino masa mathanta penthok chab masa mathanta penthok tab jo kai gore complacent yandra complacent idi masa mathanta penthok chab thamoi na penthok do pen badu khagaba mai gi kai guma mo kai do ba complain to daba self satisfied synonyms ta smug unconcerned as kaya mi gi mawal darkar oi de kayam khande as isan thamoi na pen le masa na pen thok po pen bedu dabra adubu complacent ko web ya darba antonyms ta concerned anxious vigilant example nobody can afford to be complacent about the security haidra kaina matam da kana gumba am phauna khoi security si madang da pen thok ngam de samna ha kan da Manipur da han irang tawre matam da khoi security aki belai dana a security kem tawre na pen thok aga le ngam de ta seng namak ta sunoi kem forum kani Kashmir da kai de attack to Kashmir rom sapada attack to da yaw da khoi aki bam phawe dana dabra pen thok ngam je de na sana adu du ne ha nobody can afford to be complacent about the security ko the next word is oblivious English sa kare unaware unconscious of what is happening around hai the khangdam karai the sira karai the kari dawre se kem khangdam ya da adubu oblivious ko web English singa si Hindu gi editorial kalam de ge lo thor pani sumaina nukti ge dum ta kani ko ai gi noi mes thokpa matam dana ai na video record tor ga tharakani adu noi video du yengadam ni ko YouTube ta kari dai na upload tor kani adagi yengadam ni adu no isal hogadam ni si editorial kalam de gi ko to in parkha da hang ba po nei tor se ai khakta si India gi coaching center afau ro ba kya na to ba moi de gi ni som kalo hi gya dar ba noi da kan na ga ne noi tha ga da parkha sing ga kan ade synonyms se kare le unaware ignorant heedless and antonyms ta aware mindful conscious example child was oblivious to the danger of the busy street child do angang do gari yam chin lambi du matang da ma se kari ko mu am ta khangam de unawareness am ta oiram mem awareness am ta lairam de khangam de ba tha adu dra ma de running right into the crosswalk lambi de khang khang udra chen chani he ba khang angang bu sum lambi la ke da uda lambi de gari chilli kholi khang de bira ja ka chen chan ki biaw dra nga adune adu gi khang da adu du ni nga sai sentence oblivious is the khang da sentence ta kam season na child was oblivious to the danger of the busy street running right into the crosswalk. And the next word is the turmoil. Turmoil hai bisi dekho yam to in theng na word makak tani dhabra. A state of great disturbance, confusion, uncertainty. Manipuri kare irang lang ba ot nai ba chamam na ba confusion roi ba ko irang lang ba turmoil roi ba situation lei re Manipur dan han irang thokpa matam da turmoil roi ba situation Manipur lei re hai na kha adi am charang na ba ot nai ba awa ba gi ma cham oi dana natra ne charang na matam da awa oi dana khoi lambi thong chatpa khotpa matam da natra ne police tagi swam madagi so adu dubre tar ma synonyms kare na chaos si chao sai ba ni ko kangbu ma Kio say bag the message. Ko? Ana kay bay ra jak nang. Kio say bag ro. Asyang bay ra ne. Chaos, upheaval, disorder. Si synonyms. Antonyms are calm, peace, stability. Other example, the economy can be turmoil. Economy can be in the turmoil. The market behaving erratically. People losing their job. No one understanding why. Have the kind of the economy se charang na sen thung gi phibam se charang na gale market se habedi market si chapcha na magi tawpham thokpa mong da business si tawdre business fail lo sel eba khanga ba adagi mi sing thabak phang na raktre ba pot che yon ba silak de mi thabak phang ban throi dra ne pot chitra ga di natra ne adu du ne ba adu sikari gi thoi mi ka em khang de sin ha se ala si si charang na economic si charang na bu se ya ban pi se turmoil season of ko. And the next word is the abating, becoming less intense or widespread. Manipur de kari haira sibu handhan ba. Synonyms easing, diminishing, subsiding. Ko subsidy pi ba khot pag hai don noi. Cheng no yi eli khot subsidy pi bane ba. Kari ki subsidy pi lai da singbu awa ban thara bu gi damakta. Gyandarba. Adu abating have. Antonyms are increasing, intensifying, escalating. Example, the war in Ukraine showed no sign of abating. Because Ukraine the terrible lands hai, handhagane have say, sign of holy utre. Rising concern about the long term security. She long term security the adumba. Chow issue malak pe. Concern na mo rakpe. Abating hangani ko. Next, intrude. To enter without invitation, permission, welcome. Nam take to na changba. Have the me ayabi yaudana. Changba. Some like the wall karam building. Si wall si thugai ra noi. Lilo hormi ko lesson visit to the changan dira wall thugai ka khana changro. I am tan changu re karida. Kyunki women football chan ka final chan na ba khumal na pak. Tikiye si phang chang be atra. Gate ta ingkhat lag wa ma shumul phaira la be wa ma thak to ka khana changi ma thak nam khai re nam te. Khang adu intrude to chang be ar thing rapor ama permission phang da por ma khoi changchan bu da intruder ga do aya ba yaw da ai gi hingon da lam da jangam bu bu changchan lak bu intruder ga we India ki border da Pakistani ma changchan lak bu intruder ga we yandar ba magi synonyms se kai no encroach interfere and trespass antonyms in audre thangi rage example don't intrude on their privacy. Have you me privacy that nang changchan lulu have don't interfere in the personal affair. Me personal affair that changchan lulu have the tabra. Don't intrude. Show me don't intrude on their privacy. Me matanta like with me tabak from da nang changchan laga high pasaron with me like the like I am made how to show him, I'm made how to show mamma nika should not have them that. Other than interfere, do not intrude on my privacy, on my private life. I will. Gandara go? Rice gandara? Hibjur khangwa? Next, the modicum. I call you modiji. Take lakra khang the sigi English and open language. Modicum haiba. A small quantity of something. Karigumba amagi pick laba machet haiba may tail on the harakadi. Karigumba I am a put amagi machet saru amadawa. Small quantity. Adubu karigawi modicum haiba. Synonyms the bit, small amount, iota. Antonyms the abundant, lot, surplus. Example that this means there is a modicum of truth in something, even if it is not entirely truthful. Have you low in the chum dragasukai achum bakharadi yaw hair? Next the Shabbat. से subvert em bai go to undermine the power and authority of established system or institution haiba hai de na sarkar natrag any institution amabu thugai ba natraga makan samna harap kanda samna ka da samna ga khoi example bi khoi khwai nakna leiba college sam haira college gi authority lei khang da bida authority gi power kai ga ai na hakta hai pa sadna kari dodna ai moi authority si mawal lo da bida ai na dum tawning bida taw ba ma gi si thana da ba college gi ground ai si na ga ai tawning bida taw ba gyan daraba magi niyam sna authority do mawalo da thuai sarkar le ga sarkar gi mathak ta tawba gyan daraba sarkar ga mawa cha samna ga Somalia da ning thau sarkar le sarkar gi mawa ga cha pana tek da moi gi nongmai bai ba kangbu sina loi ngam mi ne gyan daraba adagi synonyms to undermine destabilize overthrow gyan daraba antonyms support strengthen uphold. Example, the rebel group attempt to subvert the government by spreading the misinformation and inciting the protest. Rebel group aduna na government do lokthok na bi hone ba. Samne the political rebel boy ro ma ya da ba kangbu duna. Kai do raga aran ba pau shandu aga. Adagi protest to na ai gi mis langhal naga khonla laga si government se si tawre ma na si tawre government ching thang da mi khot ka da bi do ba. Gyan dar ba. Haidi government chingthrangai hot nariba thugaina hot nariba undermine tawriba government gi power adu kai gawe subvert government phamdagi chingthab du su subvert ha se ko sarkar thugai ba robust strong healthy unlikely to fail or weaken haiba haidi masai am phaba mapangan yam kan du robust haiba gendarba synonyms sturdy resilient vigorous. Antonyms ta weak, fragile, feeble. Example, the argument presented was robust and persuasive. Hai di mana nga sai discussion daw naman da wat may man have do yam na strong amasu well supported way. Hai di yam na maram jab khot way hai ni. Robust body way he guys masa pa mapangkan ba mini. Ko robust said. Next is the usurp ka usurp meaning to take position of power or importance illegally or by force hai di kainam da atoppa gi pham sakti natraga hak punam duna mun basibu usurp ko gyan darba hai si kainam da synonym da seize take over appropriate antonyms da relinquish surrender abdicate the general title usurp the government from the prime minister Jenen aduna akhoi government dagi khoi prime minister dagi magi power sin nai hona samna ga jenen purpose mu sarapna nawaz sharif dagi coup tawraga mana sarkar paishan khidana coup tawbudu yandar adu du bune coup tawba ga do yandar bo coup taw khre sarkar gi magi army general musharraf se adu mana act 99 kargil war da prime minister khoi gi prime minister nawaz sharif ching tharaga mana by force torga mana prime minister phamlang sarkar man loi paisa libe adu paisa mu legal loibra illegal loidra adu du bani ha adu du kari ga usurp yandar go adu one word substitution da yamdre chuti thada minute pakadun slide ani hengar si one word substitution it is only very much important go an introductory statement or preface, especially one explaining the purpose of a document or a speech. Highly can the niyam na iba like amagi document amagi wow talk preface tabra. Indian Constitution gi preamble later. Preamble sila Constitution manum da kariya or masi preamble sila han bo overview me ikra bana. Yan darba. Adu dubne preamble has. Adagi amana using very few words concise to the point of seemingly rude and mysterious. Why what a kajita from the one ngan the baby? Why am going to the car of one hang bamidu? Adubu, Kaigale, Laconica. Yadara. Use of unnecessary, wordy, indirect language to express an idea. Haidi Kariguba, Mahina, Vigida Makta, Ekogi, Wama Amahaiba, idea am Fudok Navigida, directly in Haidaba, was it Nakoi Naga Haiba. Some Hakanda. Aiga maga ikhoi nungsi na ba kai na re hai ba ta aiga maga khara lapthok na re he आई ऑफिस तगी आई कोचिंग तगी लाकम्बा माइना मासी तानथोखरे खल्लो आई ओजा लाए मासी आई तानथोखरे गल तानथोखरे ना डायरेक्टली हाई वही दि फजदे अदर मा गई खरा लापथोकनरे हंदक मरक इपुन पुंद्रे अना इनडायरेक्टली ओइन हाइबा ज्ञान दारबा वा मैम हाइब पोतु तरक नबेन अदु करी कवे सरकम लोकेशन लोकुशन सरकम लोकुशन कवे अदु ज्ञान दारबा the next word is a volume containing several items like books, law, previously published separately, something that deals with numerous things at once. Omnibus hai hai di kai no tongan phung ki ba lairik mayam ama writer amagi lairik mayam ji punchal laga am khakto ina phongdu aga compile to base sibu kai ga omnibus ka hai yandara ga phrasal verb top of hai there to complete finish something by adding final touch hai ba si phrase se hang bari go karamba phrase sijin na gadam khot ke english ki da hai no SSC thab dore ani amada hang kare habidi karigumba thaba amabu nangna phajana ngai gi final tasam be samna ge ko coffee ta coffee ta thakpa mandam da si culture coffee da chale khala moina coffee lang lol aba matung da coffee si gi mathak tai khoi gi phajana ngai na lap chai na chal lak pugumba khochal lak pugumba cream matal kum ta wi da na adu final tas samna ge yum lang si roi na rang dhar finish oina lo shalak ngai na awat apa kai gang phajana ngai gi mong da final tas pi bedu tabra adu dubu top of ko web I think run out of to have no more of a particular item remaining adi kari gumba pot ama magi hari ba potugi lehodre ba samna ge cheng en benu pam na magi cheng du en ai lehodre to run out of hai ge da du khwa cheng en lamba du hari ba potu cheng du laitre loi thokre stock ta laitre ge dukan na pot lo je pata ai stock ta laitre ge hai idana adu du bani to run out of hai se and dive into hai to begin something with enthusiasm and energy hai ba dive into the kari gumba thaba amada yam thawai hakchang yauna tabra thawai hakchang yauna energy sijin naraga thabuk to go to tabra adubu dive into ga ayon hoi se coaching to bara ko yam thawai hakchang yauna hoi hayen na me kan ho ne adu dive into the hai adu noi ni interest yaw du hoi gi bari latra ai de se du interest yaw re I have still lots of energy noi pham ni noi waram mani le pai na wadri ngasai di ngang ni ina ngang mana te du hoi di waram mani warba taba ai wadri ai de ju pungani ju tak pungam ni noi da leave out meaning to omit or exclude something ide karigum pot amabu yahon da be tham sideline tor ga tham yadar ga adu leave out koi loi dore sina last slide rang bani bog idioms and the phrase be a far cry from si hindu ide tel de lo thore idi ko ang pa importance ba si no ge pakha da pa ba pot ngak ni I did to be a far cry from it, to be completely different from something. I carry gumba pot amagi totally different. Mana tau, gandara be a far cry from high. See no high sing season naraga sentence semba korpa Google the hero. I sentence semba korpa jom katadi, it will take lots of time. Come, and the go belly up. Go belly up, belly de kare pukai dro. Go belly up, I adidi to fail completely fail or bidubu kari hara bazak completely fail pro fail hoi kha sai tham ki pro fail hoi kha ji kai hai do go belly up asi chi tai ji go belly up hai bisu kai hai ba completely fail hoi ba gyandar ba hit the big time hai ba hit the big time achau bu matam da kan lo hai ri ne gyandar ba asi ada ga hai na to become very successful or famous yam successful yam famous hoy mai pak ba adagi ngase rise football sana yam mai pak re mama football famous hoy khre ba adu gidi hit the big time ko ne jandar ba pull the plug lo am ding slide am ding mine I think it will be the last I will not move anymore ko pull the plug hai ba meaning prevent something from happening or continuing kari gumba thodu ma thok padagi thok ngai gi thing ba khot pa makha tan thok ngai adu kai ka pull the plug adu ching ho hai ba ya dar ba gari gi start ho du plug ching ga i halli da na start ho de problem nei du phat pull the plug prevent something from happening or continuing And the last one is ranks the richest. Ranks the richest. How the person who rise from poverty to wealth. How the line of the inakara yo kunja. Knowing as he said, she get out of in Kalisa Ibum Munga, Awa, Pashan, Tayawa, Pele, begin never know the class. You're not out of it. Not that. Other than no, she told it or what the Manuki, none of Maramagan, Jar enough from the Kipsidabra. No, I should go away. Rank the richest. There I go. Now I have completed with the vocabulary. Hayeng she can hayeng she hoigi karine